everybody, we're inside the Volkswagen Atlas. Cornelius is going to tell us exactly how to set this up, because I know, folks, if you're in a downtown area, if you're at Walmart, wherever you're at, you can do parallel parking. It'll even park in just a regular parking spot for you. But you're going to need to know how to engage this feature. So let's let Cornelius show us how to do it. Ooh, I'm excited. What's up, bud? Show us how to do this thing, man.
Okay, so you have two buttons right here, okay? The two P's. This is Park Pilot. That's your 360 overview camera angles, and then you have Park Assist, okay? You hit the Park Assist button right here, and it automatically engages, and it looks for a parking spot right here, okay? Now, as you can see, it'll give you directions. So you do control the gas pedals and the brakes, but the car basically does all the hard work for you, okay? So what you want to do is follow the directions, and you have sensors all around this car that allows you to basically have the perfect parking job. Alright, so now it's telling me to back up. So you want to put the car in reverse, and it's telling you to check all your surrounding areas. Hands free.
So it's moving the steering wheel on its own. Okay. Now, how do you feel while it's doing this?
I feel completely confident. You even have your sensors, your proximity sensors that are allowing you to know where everything else is at. All right, you get too close, you just pull it forward, and it just gives you some more directions.
So all you're doing is going drive or reverse.
Yep.
And using the brakes.
And the gas.
And the gas. Okay. Look at that. Incredible.
Hands free, you guys.
Now, will it pull back out for you?
It won't pull back out for you.
Okay, but it will park.
Did you put it in park?
And that works the same way for parallel parking.
Absolutely.
You come up upon a spot that you want to parallel park in and do the exact same thing.
And it'll do the exact same thing.
That's pretty cool. Thanks, Cornelius. Or Cornelius, show us what Park Pilot is.
Okay, so Park Pilot, you hit this button right here, and that way you can actually check your parking after you just finish using your Park Assist.
So Park Pilot is basically showing you on the screen that 360 camera view, which is beautiful, isn't it? Wow, look at that. Isn't that incredible?
Gorgeous. And all these gray lines right here are just showing you that these are your sensors at work right now, showing you that everything that's surrounding your car.